Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, there is one breaking news: work from home internship. Google hiring for the freshers experienced role. Stipend is 55,000 rupees per month. No percentage criteria. Any degree, any course can apply for this opportunity. Hurry, last date is soon. Apply now for this opportunity. Let's start the video. Before starting, on our channel Online Learning, you can check so many important videos that is related to updates as well as the hirings. So the opportunity is from Google. First opportunity is related to Google technical solution engineers, big data cloud, and like Google Cloud. So in office Bangalore, Karnataka, and Pune, Maharashtra is the location. If you are from bachelor's degree in the field of science, technology, communication, engineering, you can easily apply for this opportunity. Experience in reading or debugging code. Okay, this is the preferred qualification that is related to big data and Google Cloud. So if you are freshers, okay, this is the responsibilities and about the job. They don't want like 2 year 3 year experience. If you are freshers, recent graduate, you have experience in this, and if you fulfill the minimum qualification, click on apply now button and apply for this opportunity. And the last opportunity is related to Internshala first year starter internship. 7,000 work from home easy internship. Work 2 to 3 hours per day and earn up to 55,000 rupees per month. Hurry, early access end on 29th November, means today. So apply for this opportunity because there is 55,000 rupees per stipend, short term internship, early access contest, and expert session. So the 25 to 29 November is early access contest, and from tomorrow to 2nd December you can check out and apply for the internship. This is one of the best opportunity because if you are from 22, 23, 21, graduates batch 24, so you can easily apply for this opportunity. Don't miss that, and click on apply now button and apply for this opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.